Hi, I'm Chef Alexis, Corporate Chef of Focus Global. Today, we're here to talk about how you can elevate your coffee experience with Miele's built-in coffee machine. Great days start with a good cup of coffee. The good news is, creating the best coffee experience doesn't have to be complicated. With the right coffee beans and the right appliance, you can get a fresh and aromatic cup of coffee every day, even while at home. Miele's fully automatic, built-in coffee machine allows you to enjoy all your cafe favorites anytime at the touch of a button. To make sure you get the best cup of coffee, it's important to choose a coffee machine that knows how to properly handle your beans so you can maximize its flavor and aroma. Miele achieves this with its intuitive controls and convenience features. For maximum coffee enjoyment, Miele's built-in coffee machine comes with an intuitive M-Touch display. With this unique feature, navigating the machine is as easy as using your smartphone. With a simple tap and scroll on the display screen, you can create cafe-quality drinks in an instant. Choosing the right coffee beans is also essential in making great coffee. Different types of beans offer varying taste notes that are perfect for making different kinds of specialty beverages. With Miele's Coffee Select feature, you can store up to 3 different bean types, all while keeping them fresh and ready for your next brew. Coffee Select ensures that you can extract the best flavor from your beans whenever you need them. For maximum flexibility, you can select the bean types manually or assign them permanently to particular drinks. Each drink is prepared using one type of bean only, so no remnants remain in the system from previous uses. On the display, you can choose from a wide variety of coffee and tea selections and tailor them to suit your personal taste. From this menu, I can choose drink specialties like espresso, latte macchiato, or cappuccino and get perfect and flavorful results in every cup. Today, I'm in the mood for a latte macchiato. This drink is made with steamed milk, a shot of espresso, and milk froth. Sounds complicated? No worries. Miele's built-in coffee machine can simplify multiple drink preparations with just one touch of a button to help you save time. Now let's attach the milk flask. The convenient easy-click milk system simply locks into place at the front and is also easily removed. This milk container is made from high-quality glass. Apart from easy cleaning, glass has the benefit of being transparent, allowing you to see when the milk needs replenishing. I just need to place my favorite cup and wait for my drink to be dispensed. Thanks to the cup sensor, the cup height is detected automatically and the central spout is positioned accordingly. This prevents splashes and helps keep the optimal temperature of the drink. Coffee is freshly ground and brewed straight away for full flavor thanks to Aromatic System Fresh. This is possible thanks to the slanted conical grinder, which makes sure that the freshly ground coffee drops directly from the brew unit. An impeller then removes the powder residue from the grinder. This ensures that each cup is prepared only with freshly ground beans and that no remnants from a previous brewing process remain in the grinder. And now we have a freshly brewed latte macchiato. It's that easy. If you're hosting guests or preparing a drink for your partner, you can simultaneously make 2 cups with the one touch for 2 function. By choosing the double cup icon, the program starts to make 2 servings automatically, so you don't need to wait for one coffee to be ready before preparing the next one. And if you're in the mood for a stronger drink, you can double the amount of espresso in your cappuccino with the double shot feature. With this option, the beverage is prepared with twice the amount of coffee but with a shorter extraction time. This results in an especially full and soft coffee aroma without any bitter aftertaste. Miele also makes it easy for you to customize your drink. For a household with many family members, the special feature that will appeal most is the user profiles. Up to 10 individual user profiles can be set to suit each and every person's coffee preference. All the parameters for your favorite drink will be stored, from the amount of ground coffee, preferred water temperature, as well as the preparation of milk, if applicable. By allowing you to set the parameters for your drinks, you get to have your perfect drink anytime you want. For a worry-free coffee experience, maintenance for the built-in coffee machine is simple and automatic. Miele takes care of cleaning and descaling the appliance so you can spend your time on more important things. The milk pipework and brew unit are cleaned and degreased automatically with the auto-clean function, keeping the coffee machine clean at all times. And there is no need to spend ages descaling your appliance either. The patented auto-descale function does it automatically. No other brand in the market today combines all of these powerful features into one coffee machine. From storing beans, to making coffee, to easy maintenance, Miele designed the built-in coffee machine to be as intuitive and convenient as ever so you can get consistently perfect cups of coffee every day. And that's how you can elevate your coffee experience with Miele.